Most skincare routines fail for a very simple reason. They try to do too much, and in the process, they slowly damage the skin they're trying to improve. Too many products, too many actives, too much irritation. And ironically, the people with the best skin often do less. Much less. Over the past few months, I've been working on a minimalist Korean skincare approach and testing it on my own skin. And what surprised me most is how few steps you actually need to maintain healthy skin, and how just one or two additional steps can meaningfully improve it over time. In this video, I'll show you both the absolute minimalist routine with the fewest steps needed to maintain healthy skin long term, and the upgraded version that actively improves skin quality and how your skin ages. One of these routines is so simple most people assume it can't work, but it does. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kirk, and I'm a skin enthusiast focused on helping men in their 30s look healthier and more rested and age well, without complex routines or hype. If that sounds useful, you can subscribe or download the free Skin Reset Guide linked down below. We're going to talk through these ultimate minimalist routines, but first, you need to understand why Korean skincare works so well. Because once you understand this, everything becomes simpler. Korean skincare has built a reputation for producing unusually good results. But the results don't come from better formulations. They come from consistency and structure. Most Western skincare historically focused on correction, fixing problems after they appear. Wrinkles, pigmentation, damage. Korean skincare takes a different approach. It focuses on prevention, barrier support, hydration, and long-term skin function. Because when your skin is hydrated, stable, and functioning properly, it simply looks better, clearer, calmer, more even, more rested. And this is where some people unknowingly damage their skin, not by doing too little, but by doing too much. Too many harsh cleansers or harsh actives that cause irritation, which slowly destabilizes the skin. Korean skincare focuses on keeping the skin stable first, because nearly all meaningful skin improvement depends on maintaining a healthy barrier. Once the barrier is stable, improvement becomes predictable, and it requires surprisingly few steps, which brings us to the key decision you need to make. At this point, you have two clear options: maintenance or improvement. Maintenance means keeping your skin healthy and stable long term, preventing deterioration, maintaining a strong functional skin barrier. Improvement means actively upgrading skin quality over time. Better texture, more even tone, reduced dark circles under the eyes. Healthier looking skin over time. Both are valid, but most people accidentally achieve neither. They just grab some random products and switch routines constantly, and their skin ends up staying exactly the same for years. I'll walk you through a clear structure, and once you follow it consistently, your skin becomes calmer, more stable, and gradually improves. Not overnight, but predictably. Let's start with the absolute minimalist version. This is the minimum effective routine required to maintain healthy skin long term. In the morning, there are two steps. Step 1 is cleanse with Skin 1004 Centella Light Cleansing Oil. Cleansing in the morning removes oil, sweat, and debris that accumulates overnight, helping reset the skin before the day begins. And this Skin 1004 cleanser does it gently without disrupting the barrier. This helps maintain a calm, balanced barrier, which allows everything else in your routine to work more effectively. And step 2 is protect. And for this, you're going to pick one of these two Beauty of Joseon sunscreens. If you have oily skin, you want to go for the Beauty of Joseon's Relief Sun Aquafresh Rice Plus B5 SPF. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a heavy or greasy finish. If you're more on the dry side, you might want to consider a moisturizer before applying your SPF. But we said we keep this ultra minimal. So what we're going to do is just go in with the Beauty of Joseon's Sun Relief Rice Plus Probiotics SPF. This one here. Sunscreen is the most important step in this entire routine. I've spoken about it quite a lot already on the channel, and I'm not going to go into it in great detail here. But UV exposure is the primary external driver of skin aging, which is why daily sunscreen is essential, regardless of season or weather. The beauty of Joseon's sunscreens also hydrate your skin, which is why we're cutting out a moisturizer and keeping it ultra minimal. In the evening, you've got 2 steps again. Step 1 is cleanse with the Skin 1004 Centella Cleansing Oil, or Light Cleansing Oil, I should say. This cleansing oil is particularly good at removing SPF without irritation whilst not damaging your barrier. Step 2 is moisturize, and we're going to go in and use Astura's Atto Barrier 365 cream. This strengthens your skin barrier, reduces water loss, and keeps your skin stable long term. That's it. 4 steps, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, and 3 products. This alone is enough to maintain healthy skin long term. And if this is already making skincare feel simpler, consider subscribing. This channel is all about evidence-based routines for men over 30. But if your goal is to actively improve skin quality, this upgraded minimalist routine delivers significantly better results without adding unnecessary complexity. In the morning, you've got 5 steps, but it should take less than 5 minutes. Step 1 is cleanse, same as before. If you prefer using just one cleanser, stick with the Skin 1004 cleansing oil. But if you're open to using a second cleanser, as in purchasing a second cleanser, Round Labs Docto cleanser is the one to use in the morning. It's an excellent option and something that I recommend that you do. And of course, don't forget, when cleansing, you can always cleanse your face in the shower, so long as the water's not too hot, which is a great time hack and just helps speed things up and makes it easier. Step 2 is hydrate, using the Laneige Cream Skin, which you should be able to see now. This is a brilliant hydrating product and one of the simplest upgrades you can make, because hydrated skin doesn't just feel better, it functions better, it looks clearer, calmer, healthier. It also comes in a really nice spray bottle like this, so you can just mist it across your face really quickly. Step 3 is treat. And we're going to go in with Dr. Althea's Vitamin C Boosting Serum. This is a sophisticated multi-pathway formula designed to improve brightness, strengthen the barrier, and reduce inflammation, while protecting the skin from oxidative stress. It contains niacinamide to strengthen the barrier and improve tone, tranexamic acid to reduce pigmentation, Centella asiatica to calm inflammation, and a stable form of vitamin C that improves brightness while being less irritating and more stable over time. Using this product regularly improves brightness and overall skin quality. Not instantly, but predictably. It's a powerhouse. Step 4, moisturize. You could skip this step and go straight to SPF if you wanted to be ultra minimalist. But I've got slightly dry skin and I definitely don't like skipping it. And so again, we're going to go in with the Astura Atto Barrier 365 cream. It's the most barrier engineered Korean moisturizer I've come across, and it's got an advanced formula that mimics the skin's natural lipid structure. And step 5 is protect, using one of the Beauty of Joseon sunscreens again. Again, if you're oily, go with the Relief Sun Aqua Fresh, which you should be able to see now. And if you're slightly on the drier side, you want to go in with the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun, which you can see now. And that's it. The routine takes less than 5 minutes, but delivers significantly better results over time. In the evening, there's 4 steps, and this is where the majority of long-term improvement happens. Step 1, cleanse with the Skin 1004 cleansing oil. Step 2, hydrate with the Laneige Cream Skin again. Step 3 is treat. And this is where retinol comes in. And if you only add one ingredient to improve your skin long term, This is the one that drives the most meaningful change. We're going to use the Beauty of Joseon's Eye Retinol serum, which has got ginseng and retinol. What you want to do is use just slightly more than a pea-sized amount across your entire face. I know it's labeled as an eye cream, but using that just slightly larger pea-sized amount across your entire face is actually quite a good idea, because it contains a fairly potent and well-formulated form of retinol that's generally well tolerated. And it's designed for the delicate under eye area, but you can use it across the rest of your face. This is one of the most effective upgrades you can make to your routine after SPF, because retinol supports skin renewal, improves skin structure, and gradually improves skin quality. Retinoids are among the most well-studied and consistently proven ingredients in dermatology for improving skin quality and slowing visible aging. There's a couple of other things you need to consider when introducing a retinol product to your skin for the first time. I'm not going to go into them here, but I made a video that should be flashing up here and is definitely linked down below in the description that talks you through it. But in short, retinoids are highly effective and can drive meaningful long-term improvement, but they need to be introduced carefully. Step 4 is moisturize with the Astura Atto Barrier 365 cream. This becomes even more important when using a retinoid product. As with most things in skincare, consistency matters far more than complexity or product quantity. What I've just outlined will deliver meaningful change, but it won't happen overnight. Take a photo on day 1 and commit for 3 months, taking progress photos as you go, and you'll be pleased with the result of what you get. I created this minimalist Korean skincare routine to show you how simple, effective skincare is. If you want a simple, structured routine that uses the best of Korean and Western skincare, you can follow easily without overthinking, download the free Skin Reset Guide link below. It shows you exactly what to do. And if you're going to use retinol, and if you're a man in your 30s who wants to look less tired and more rested, I highly recommend that you do. Watch my video here. It will fundamentally change how you approach skincare. Thanks, and I'll see you there.